Hi, welcome back. In this tutorial how to add stickers to any background, let's see samples. Okay, let's get started. Open your photo in Picsart and select the sticker icon. Select your favorite sticker or photo. I'm using this flowers sticker. Move to best position, size increase/decrease to your preference, then change blend mode to multiply. Erase the sticker in your object. Select the erase tool, select the background tab. Note this feature only workday to use internet. Okay, sometime this not working, so manually erase the area. Then next add more sticker, same process.
Next step, add some effects. Go to Effects tab. Select the effect 𝗚𝗏. Apply the photo and last some noise effect, balance noise your choice. And the final output. Thanks for watching. I will see you the next one. Till then, good luck and peace.